We know that making your application can, at times, be overwhelming. That's why we've put together this short video as part of our International Student Support Series here at NCUK. My name is David Williams, Academic Operations Executive, and this video is Making Your Application. At NCUK, we want to make the application process as simple as possible for you. All applications will be reviewed and processed by our specialist student support team to give you the best chance possible at securing a place at your chosen university. NCUK is here to make your journey to university as smooth as possible. Alongside your counsellor, we will work with you to maximise your chances of securing your dream place at one of our world-class partner universities. From day one, our student support team and your counsellor will support you in making applications to your chosen university destinations. Whether you have aspirations of going to the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or even somewhere else, we'll help you on that journey. That's the NCUK promise. All that we ask is you provide necessary documents to complete the process and are engaged in the journey. These documents include, but are not limited to, transcripts and certificates for previous studies, proof of English language ability, a valid form of identification, such as a passport, personal statements relevant to your chosen degree, up-to-date contact information, details of the university courses you wish to apply to. It's important that you gather any necessary documents well in advance, and it's essential that you're aware of any upcoming deadlines to make sure your application is submitted in plenty of time. Remember that if any of these are in a foreign language, they'll need to be translated to English through an approved translator. Once your application is submitted, universities will work to process decisions. It's necessary to make sure you are checking your emails regularly for any updates or additional information requests from your university of choice. Thank you for watching this video about making your application. We look forward to sharing more valuable videos with you in the future. Have a great day.